Hello everyone, how are you? As you can see today, I wear a polo shirt. Do you like it? Well, let's focus. Let's see which games do you have to play today. As I always say, open your eyes and ears. Let's go. Race to rebuild your team's Rubik's Cube. Each team has its own Rubik's Cube. Sort colors into rows/columns by swapping only touching pieces. Critical rule: you can only swap pieces that are touching. First team to solve their cube, 50 points. Even if you lose, you earn 20 points. Everyone wins something. The memory. Each team has their own board with 8 stilts. Hidden beneath them are 4 matching pairs of objects. On your turn, complete the obstacle's path to reach the board. Then, lift only 2 stilts to reveal the hidden objects. If they match, leave them uncovered. If they don't match, cover them back exactly as they were. Winning team will earn 50 points. Losing team, 20 consolation points for trying.